Morning, folks. Got a little strangeness going on again, or still, I should say. Look how much of this crap they're making us breathe. So, I figure there's no way that this is for any good reason. Or some a-hole would have tried to take credit already if they were doing this for good reasons. Just my opinion. What do you guys think? I think I'm about to get gas masks for the family. Gas masks and tinfoil hats all around. But we're only crazy until we're not, right? Alright, thanks folks. I'm off today, so I'm going back inside. Sucks, man. It just sucks. Thanks a lot, Harvard. Alright, everybody. What's it look like where you live? Oh, they're telling us that it's going to rain in 2 days. So, obviously they stepped this up. I don't think it does naturally rain anymore. Get some clean bowls and jars out, people. If it rains on you, collect it. Look what's in it. It's not just rain. Thanks.